Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to DocuSign a document on an iPhone. So this is really simple. Now before we begin, I want to highlight that you can get 30 days free trial using the link in the description below, so make sure to check that out. Now let's just begin on the site. So what you need to do is simply use DocuSign. You have to either you can create a template, or you can click on the start and you can see you have two type of options here: agreement and templates. So let's just say I have agreement and envelope, and I want to send an envelope or maybe sign a document. So since we need to um, simply sign a document using your phone, you can easily click onto this option, sign a document, and then you need to basically upload your files. So simply upload any file from your local storage, and let me see what I can upload over here. I have a couple of stuff. Now let's just say we have this file. We can open and it is going to be uploaded, and you can simply click on this sign option. So once you click on this, it is going to be signed. So this is how you can easily sign on your iPhone. If you want to simply go with some other options related to a document or a template, you can even create templates in there. So you can see it is now loading up, and this is the final preview. So you can click on finish, and this is how it is going to be looking. Of course, you need to add a signature. Simply click on this signature option, and you can draw your signature in here, and that is how it is going to be adding. So let me add it in here. You can resize this as well and easily sign it. So click on finish, and you can send it to any recipient. So this is how easy it is. I hope this helps. Make sure to head over to the link in the description below to get 30 days free trial. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.